Morning, everybody. Happy New Year, by the way. Happy New Year. Today, we are going to move the chickens. A little excited about it, and I'm sure they are too. So we're going to go ahead and get set up, and we're going to get it going. Got a lot of work to do, so let's try to make the chickens happy. Okay, now that I got the coop moved, now I gotta take the netting down. I'm gonna go ahead and just put one net up for now. And then if it looks like they need another one, then I'll just add another one. So get started on that. I'll speed her up. Okay, so I already have one fence already ran. I think I'm gonna go ahead and break the other one down, move it over. I'll show you kind of like the game plan that I have. I gotta straighten up some stuff, but I'll show you real quick. Got it going around our little square garden here, just a small one. But I wanna bring out this corner that's right there, bring it out straight right here. I don't know what I was thinking, but oh well. I got it, as you can tell, I got it going all the way out there. So I want to try to give him as much room as possible. Well, before anybody ever says anything, yes, I do have a bunch of leaves in my fence. It's not charged, so therefore it's not going to be grounding out. I plan on getting a charger here really soon. So I'm going to go ahead and break down the other fence, and I'm going to run it around their coop. So just want to give them a little bit more room, and they'll be really excited. They should start laying eggs here pretty soon. We're getting one egg like every other day, so I mean, it should be about any time. So let's keep rolling. Okay, so now that I have my fence ran, as you can tell, I got it ran all the way out there. I did what I would call like a dry run, because I never ever guessed the right amount for the fencing. I don't count it out. Some people do, but I don't. It's because I got so many trees and everything in my yard. But I came out to right there, as you can tell, and there it is right over there. So I'm only about 16 feet, so I can actually move it over, so I have plenty of room. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that, and we'll just go from there. Now that I got my fence established, I got it connected to the other one right over there. What I can do now is I can pull this one right here at the end of this one and pull it to that one and connect it right there, and that will give me how much, that way I'll have plenty of room. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So now that I got it all connected right there, I got it connected all the way down to right here. I've got a twist in the fence here, so I'm gonna have to work it all the way back to over here where it connects up. Oh, it's over there somewhere. I think it's back behind the coop. There it is. So I have to work out the twist over there, and I'll just catch up with you guys here in a second. Okay, I got the twist all done. Now I'm going to go ahead and release the chickens, let them get out. I think they're pretty mad, but they understand what's going on. So let's say hi to them. They're gonna be excited. I don't need to feed them that much today, just because they're gonna go and forage out on a new spot. So I'm gonna give them probably about a scoop, and we'll just see. I may have to come back and feed them this evening, but I just want to make sure. But they're gonna go and forage everywhere. They're gonna be excited. So we'll say hi. These these rubber feeder pans. We got these from Tractor Supply. I like these because whenever they freeze, you can just flip them over like that and just stomp on them. As you can tell, they're very forgiving. It's a real easy way to be able to clean all the ice out. You just break them. So I really like them. I really do. I gotta get some water for them. I already brought their feet up, you saw that. So I gotta get some water for them. We haven't done it in a while. Let's do some slow motion. I like the slow motion, it's nice. Okay, I gotta set you all down so that way I can get them fed and get water in there. So I'll put you guys in a good spot. Uh-oh, about ready to go down. Remember I told you about those fences, be careful. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got it. So I'm gonna set you guys down. I gotta hurry up. My battery's about ready to die. It's starting to blink, so I'll try to hurry up. There you go, folks. I got the chickens moved. They are excited. Go over the fence. I got them moved. I gotta get some fresh bedding in for them, but I'll do that later today. So tomorrow I'm gonna move the pigs. I'm gonna get everything set up to move the pigs tomorrow. So that'll take a little bit. It's just time to move everybody, get them on some fresh ground before it gets too nasty. Because it keeps thawing and freezing, and just, you know how it is, this makes the ground really nasty. So, you know, I don't like walking on it, and I'm sure they don't either. So, they look really excited. They are out crazy right now, just looking everywhere. So, I just want to thank everybody for showing up. Make sure you hit a thumbs up, share, subscribe. To all your friends and family. I want this to it's getting so close to 100. Last time I checked, it was around almost 70. So let's just keep on going. I really appreciate it. God bless everybody, and we'll just see you on the next one. Bye.